Do you want to learn how to convert your video to audio? Please, if you want to, kindly watch this video tutorial to the end. Hi everyone, you're welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to easily convert your video to audio. This is beneficial to those that really want to enhance their audio voice or remove background noise, but don't know how to extract their audio from their video or convert their video to audio for further usage. Because in CapCut, you can only extract your audio, you can't export it, you can only extract it and use it back. So this video is for those that want to convert their video to audio so they can enhance their voice in a free platform or remove background noise in a free platform. I earlier made a video on how you can remove background noise and enhance your voice with a free tool called Adobe Podcast. I will leave the video link in this video description. Kindly watch the tutorial. It's a straightforward tutorial and it's easy to use. So let me show you how you can convert your video to audio so you can use it in this Adobe Podcast to remove your background noise and also to enhance your voice. Kindly watch to the end and don't forget to hit on the subscribe button, like, share, and also turn on your notification. Now to convert your video to audio. After editing your video in CapCut or any other video editing software or app, export and save your video to your media. Now we move over to Play Store for Android users and App Store for iPhone users. When you get there, search for video to audio converter. It will bring out so many apps for it. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be making use of Audio Lab because I already have it on my phone. I'll just go ahead to open it. When you get to Audio Lab, tap on video to audio. This is it here. When you tap on it, it will bring out all the videos you have in your phone. Then tap on the video you want to convert to audio. When you tap on it, this space here is for you to write the name you want the audio to be. For this audio, I'll write how to check your TikTok account. So this is what my audio will be for this very one. So I can easily search for it in my music file. Then go ahead to tap here and it will automatically convert your video to audio. This is the audio we just converted. To see your audio in your music file, simply go to your file and tap on music. It will appear at the top since you just converted it. This is it, how to check your TikTok account. You can go ahead to use this audio for the video it is meant for. But in case you want to enhance or remove background noise, if your audio has background noise or needs enhancement, then go back to CapCut or any video editing software you are using to edit your video to upload that same audio. When you get to CapCut, for example, tap on sound and tap on file, then search for the audio, how to check your TikTok account, because that's the name it will carry, and upload it back to the video it is meant for. So this is how to convert your video to audio. I hope you found this video helpful and educative. If I'm browsing to my channel to watch more tutorial video and support by sharing, liking, turn on your notification to notify you when I upload a new video. And most importantly, don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.